तो मैं बहुत डिसअपॉइंटेड था। पहले 3 दिन इतनी बारिश हुई थी और इंडिया की बैटिंग इतनी अच्छी नहीं थी, बट आज आई थिंक बहुत ही अच्छा फाइट बैक किया है पूरी टीम ने, स्पेशली मिडिल ऑर्डर, केएल राहुल, जडेजा एंड देन सिराज एंड बुमराह ऑब्वियसली. I think India has a psychological advantage up. India is going to probably draw the match and that is good for us मेलबर्न और सिडनी जाते हुए. मैं इंडिया से आया हूँ क्रिकेट देखने यहाँ पे, फर्स्ट टाइम, चाइल्डहुड ड्रीम है. तो आई थिंक बहुत अच्छी सिचुएशन में अभी इंडिया, ड्रॉ तो हो जाएगा एंड दैट्स गुड एनफ फॉर अस इन दिस मैच.
It was one of the finest performances in terms of grit. It was a classic test match day and we loved how the Indian batsmen, especially Rahul and Jadeja, grinded it out. And what is important was the last wicket partnership, which is still going on, and that saved the day. And I think, Bumrah is this genie that we have. He does everything for us. He takes wickets, he gets runs, he saves our follow-on, and and I think the genie was there. And I would also commend Akashdeep for that support that he gave to Bumrah and the few knocks that he had. But overall, I think India has crossed a psychological bridge. Because except the second innings at Perth, India has actually played the highest number of overs in this innings. So the thing is, of course, we can't take away the disastrous batting of the top order, and that's a separate subject altogether. The way all the batsmen got out, Jaiswal, Rohit, Virat, that's a different story. But I think today we should focus on the Indian fight back and an amazing innings that Rahul played of 84, and I think no praise is small enough for what Rahul did. And of course, the way Ravindra Jadeja proved to everybody listening and looking that he deserves a place in the Indian team purely as a batsman. Jaddu. And I think this will give India a lot of confidence getting into tomorrow. I still don't say that India has completely out of the woods. Anything can happen. But they have made Australia think. Because Australia will now need to figure, firstly they need to get the last wicket out. And if they bat for another 45 minutes to an hour, you never know. And then Australia has to figure out exactly how many runs they need to get to make sure they can put India under pressure and they have enough runs to bowl, and there's a rain factor also.